champ. Okay, new best. My opinion. Fuck. Let's go. This is my first easy demon, and I'm gonna go through my journey with you guys, try to beat it. Frickin' frack. Basically, when I start to get mad, I end up. Nope, I'm not. I got to memorize the map, bro. I gotta memorize. Is this the only thingy? Or does it go to like ship and stuff? I gotta watch a playthrough of this. I'm live on Twitch today at 5 p.m. I'm gonna go live on Twitch tomorrow. Oh no, yeah, I'm going camping tomorrow. I'll tell you when I'm going live. Shit. Oh my god, bro. There's a portal. Okay. Okay, so I got the hang of this part. Pretty easy. No, bro. I got 12. Why is this music in there? I got my friend Fear Cave. He's way better than my friend. This is my 60th attempt in one video. I might get to like 100. I'm gonna complete it today. Oh, no, bro. Y'all seen me play this exact part for like a few minutes now. No, okay, I know what to do. I gotta stay. I gotta stay. I gotta stay on the ground for like 2 jumps. Damn. Okay, I'm losing my memory. Fuck. Damn. Fuck! Okay, I'm sorry. Fuck. Fucking touch me. Damn, I might have to stop. Fucking fag. Faggot. I'm gonna get to the video, or I'll just fucking stop. It can't be it's an easy demon. I just gotta walk in. watch a playthrough. How? What? How? Huh? How? I'm 67. I don't know how I died. Should I try to use spacebar? My spacebar sounds like shit. Alright, I'm gonna try it though. Yeah, I'm just gonna use another keypad because it's better. And it sounds good. Damn. I gotta memorize the levels. So yeah, I'm most definitely gonna watch a playthrough. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Stop talking. Damn it. Alright. Lock in. Fuck! Lock in. That's 15. I got 10 more attempts to try to get higher than that. I don't think I'm gonna do it. But there's no harm in trying. Damn it. I got 5 more attempts. Yeah. 4 more attempts. 3 more attempts. 2 more attempts. 1 more. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So my highest is 14%. So I'm gonna do one tomorrow.